Do you need a professional and reliable company to repair hail damage on your vehicle? DFW Dent Company has been in the industry since 2011. They're established with the BBB and have impeccable feedback on Google, Yelp, and Facebook. Unlike collision claims, hail damage doesn't raise your rates. It's covered under your comprehensive policy. To get started, contact your insurance company and file a claim on your vehicle and inform them that DFW Dent Company will be handling the repairs. Next, just drop your vehicle off with us and we'll handle the rest. If you've already met with your insurance adjuster, simply bring us a copy of their estimate and we'll take the next steps. We also offer deductible assistance, pickup and delivery service, and rental car assistance. We'll even detail your vehicle before delivery. To schedule your repair, stop by or call us at 817-642-7498 or visit dfwdentco.com.